All right, so if you're like me, you're a fan of Joe Rogan, and the first time I seen this kick, okay, was in Karate Kid, all right? And the kick I'm talking about is a back kick. The scene I'm talking about is where it's a montage of different fights, and one of the kids comes in and he does a quick little bop and just drops the kid, and I was like, oh, that's a cool kick. Joe Rogan has, in my opinion, one of the strongest back kicks. So we're gonna take a look at his footage and kind of see how he does it and kind of emulate that, all right? Let's take a look at Joe Rogan and then we're gonna come back.
Okay, so we're here with powerful Dwayne Bang Ludwig. I'm learning some amazing techniques. Dude, I love training with you. I love your enthusiasm. I love how technical you are. And I'm gonna show him a couple of Taekwondo techniques, specifically the front leg side kick and how it transitions to the spinning back kick or the turning side kick. There's a bunch of keys to this kick. I'll point out what most people do wrong. Here's the things to avoid. Number one, the down knee. A lot of times when people do it, their knee is down and they're kicking like this. That comes from stiffness a lot of times, from a lack of flexibility, but it also comes from training it wrong. The key to this technique is knee up high and then a twist. And when I teach it to people, what I would teach is first thing to do is kick low. Don't even try to kick to the body. Kick like this and then do that. So it's here and then that. It's all about the straightening out, the pivoting off the back foot, and the pushing off the ball of the foot. So you're extending your body. That's where the power comes from. So let's move her a little. I'm sweating like crazy here. So the first thing I'm going to do is pick the knee up and then kick straight. God, it's so slippery here. Let's come over here with that. Here's good. Yeah. Okay. Here's good. We're good here? Mm-hmm. So the knee comes up, straight kick. Okay? Ooh. Nice and straight. So now I'm going to add the turn. So then I would have the left leg forward, and I would do this first. So I turn my heel towards my opponent. I spin like this, and then it's just like the front leg side kick. The knee comes up, and then I extend. Basically, the same technique, but with a turn. Down here. Ooh. Nice and extended. That's the big thing. Knee up high, straight line at the end.
Feel that through this freaking pad. Yeah, that is solid.
Knee up high, straight through at the end. And that's the Dwayne Bang Ludwig technique of the week.
All right, so here's what I took from it. It's very much like so, pivot, pivot, pivot here, boom, pick up, and he does like a push out with it, okay, a very strong push out. And he was actually saying in the video, which is interesting, to just practice this. A lot of people can't turn that hip, is what he's saying, you know, okay. So he almost does, it kind of looks like a side kick, like a spinning side kick, instead of where you would think a back kick per se would be maybe come up like this, right? That's probably more of a traditional back kick, is more of that. Traditional back kick probably more like so. So he spins it, right? Boom, full momentum, and then just really launches it, and he pushes his weight into it. So when he's here, he really pushes that last bit, and that's why I think he's got so much power in the back kick. So, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and try it full speed. So come in. Now, Joe Rogan, if you're out there, I tried to get in contact with you because I actually want to learn from you. So if you're out there and you're watching this, reach out. I'll keep reaching out. Maybe I'll do a video with Joe Rogan in person, learning from him his back kick. All right, so if you guys like this video, like, subscribe, drop a comment down below. If you want to see me in action, click right here. If you just want to watch another video like this, click right here, subscribe. And if you just want to watch some TV or film, click over here.